Hello friends, in this video we will learn more idea about HTML attributes. In our previous video we had discussed about tags and elements. As we know, elements are made of two tags, an opening tag and a closing tag. Then what is the purpose of an element? The element tells the browser something about the information which are present between two tags. For better understand, let's discuss those elements. Okay, first come to paragraph element. So a paragraph element will tell the browser there is some text, and heading element will tell the browser there is some heading, and body element will tell the browser that everything inside the body will make up the actual web page. Then one question in your mind, what is the difference between tags and element? And answer is there is no difference between them. They almost one and same. So some people refers to as a tag element and element tag. Okay, then comes to angular bracket. Okay, this angular bracket at the element and put p tells that what type of element it is. It is represented as a paragraph element. Now we are going to discuss what are the attributes. Okay, in this case this is a class attribute and returning some text. And remember one thing, attributes always put in opening tag inside the angular bracket and never put in closing tag. Okay, also you have to remember attributes provide additional information about the content of an element. Okay, attributes are made of two parts. Okay, one is name, another is value. They are separated by an equal sign. Now comes to label element. In previous video we used four attributes in label element, but in this case some attributes only go with a particular element. Like for attribute, this for attribute is only available for label element, whereas class attribute we can put almost every type of element. Later on, attributes are most important when we are in CSS and JavaScript series. I will see you guys in next video.